now.
Christmas game. Laban ng Meralco Bolts kontra dito sa Converge Fiber Exoy sa 49th season ng PBA Commissioner's Cup sa elimination.
100%. Chiquialo gets the first basket of the game in this Christmas Day matchup as Bongkito answers back.
Even in the previous conference, he has been really stellar for his team.
Raquel Mitchell's in the PBA level.
Yes, that's right. And right now, Joshua Thompson is playing so that it can fuel their offense.
Oh my goodness! Merry Christmas! Says Raquel Mitchell. Oh, he has been.
Sa kabuuan ng first quarter pumuntos ng 26 points ang Converge at ang Meralco naman ay 20 points.
Ball movement as Andrade finds an open look in the corner and buries it. Sides goes Baltazar and Gallo on the floor as Johnny Winston left open. And that's a long two. And that from wide open to Santos.
Sa kabuuan ng second quarter pumuntos ng 32 points ang Converge at ang Meralco Bolts naman ay 21 points. Kaya natapos ang first half, tangan ng Converge ang kalamangan.
Mitchell stopped at the rim. The goal line shoot two and Gallo hits the deck. Angela wide open for jumper. Missed everything, but they'll say that it's a pass to Mitchell. Yes, heading hits the deck here. They're now defending with one player less as Bongkito. It's a long two. Heading has open for three. And that's good despite the outstretched hand. The ball out of right in front of him. They get a switch here. Mitchell. Oh, what a beat inside to Johnny Winston.